Hey everybody, welcome to this video. This is my first OBS tutorial. If you want to, please subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe if you wouldn't mind, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, well here we are. We have OBS open. So the first thing that we're going to do is come over here to Profile and click New, and I'm going to call this the Jacob Standard Profile, and just click OK. And as you can see here, I have several different, like this one, I have the camera plus screen, which is what's allowing me to get the camera, front-facing camera here, and then my screen at the same time. This untitled one was a profile I made a long time ago. Once you have a new profile, let's first start out by going into Settings and coming over here to your output. Now your output is very important for a couple of reasons. The first one is it allows you to set the quality of video that you're going to be outputting, and the second one is that it shows you where your output is going. So as you can see right here, my recording format is FLV, and that's not great, especially if you're going to edit videos. And you'd be tempted for MP4. MP4 is currently the most standard video file format, but that's also not great. MP4s have a tendency to fail if you're recording using them. So I generally choose MOV or MKV. MOV is the most standard that won't fail on you while you're recording. So change your recording format to MOV. Your recording quality, set that to same as stream, and then you can come up here and you can set your video bitrate on the stream. Now depending how big or small you're going to record your video, you can choose differing bit rates. 2500 is actually fairly large, so I'm going to take that down to 1500. Now let's go into audio, where the sample rate is 44.1 kilohertz. Let's change that to 48 kilohertz. And as you can see down here, it says the program is for these settings to take effect, so keep that in mind. And then let's head down here to video. Now the video resolution, like right now I'm on my desktop and it's 1920 by 1080. That's the base canvas. But on my laptop, I think it's 1280 by 720 or 756. 1280 by 756. So just keep in mind, if you want to output a larger video resolution, you can actually just select your text here and type in how big you want it, like 4096 by what is that? 2160 would be a 4K video. But for our purposes here, that's the base canvas and the output resolution are two different. So the base canvas is your screen. So I'm going to leave that at 1920 by 1080, and then for my output scale, I'm going to do 1920 by 1080 as well. And then for your frame rate values, 24 is what films are filmed at. 24 is great if you're doing film, like you're filming a film, but it's not great for screen capturing, which is what OBS is all about. So I either do 30 or 60, but that will basically double your file size. So I keep it at 30. 30 is enough for me where the video isn't jerky and things like that. And then finally, the start and stop streaming is something that I always try and set. So you just click in there, and I'm going to hit Control and 0 on my number pad. And the reason, and then I'll hit that again. And then after all of that, I can click Apply and OK. And the reason that that's important is, let's say that I want to record something that's like a video on my screen. I can hit play on the video, and then I can just hit Control 0 and it will start recording. When the video is done, I can hit Control 0 and it will stop recording, and that really takes the amount of work that I have for editing down to a minimum. Finally, you can see right here that the mic auxiliary, I have an external mic. If you have a laptop, the built-in mic will probably show up. If it doesn't show up, come down here to Properties and Device and choose whatever is different from default, or default should generally give you whatever the mic is that your system is currently using. And then desktop audio is important. So if you're recording something, whatever audio is going to be playing through your desktop will be recorded. But that also includes, like, if you have a messaging app open and then your messaging app beeps because you get a new message. So just be careful. What I've done is I've just turned off all notifications on my system so that if I record something with the desktop audio, I never get interrupted. Okay, and last but not least, we just right click in here in the sources area and come to add, and then go down to, let's see here, display capture, and just click OK, and it will choose the default display, which is your screen, and click OK. Then you can start recording right here, and you can stop recording. And remember, your videos will be saved to, mine will be saved to see users JSwing videos. Yours will be saved to wherever you chose to put this path. So I hope that has been helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Okay, you guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe if you so choose, and I will see you next time.